Hello, my name is Emmanuel Amitipe. I am the president of Youth Advocates Ghana, YAG. Youth Advocate Ghana is a youth-led non-governmental organization based in Sawom, in the eastern region of the Republic of Ghana. Our mission is to improve the well-being of children and young people. Over the past 5 years, we have been focusing on 3 key programs. The first is on education, and under education we have scholarship programs for orphans and vulnerable children, and also children breeding program. The second program that we run is on sexual and reproductive health and rights, and under this we work to reduce teenage pregnancy and HIV/AIDS related issues among young people. The third program that we run is on youth empowerment, offering training programs for young people and developing their leadership skills.
Hi, my name is Sarah Anderson and I am the Vice President of the Youth Advocates Ghana, YAG. One of our key programs is on child education, and currently we are running a scholarship program for vulnerable children and orphans. Youth Advocates Ghana also run an after-school library for school children within our vicinity, and this is to help them improve their reading skills and also enhance their knowledge.
My name is Agnes I am a member of YAG Library. The reason why I came to join this library is because first I was not able to speak good English, but now I can speak good and better English. But this place, if I can, I don't feel comfortable because this place is too small and they are not enough good for us to read.
Brother, many a day, fuck yeah. Maju ana Friday. Me a Kumasi Bama. Me Jimmy I no complain. And grand so my ba. Me say baby ya. Me gonna go a bit wale me na me bano. Sika so gumano. Umi a drama wipe. Ocean me slow to a family burger. Man on my drum and frame. Mama Benjamin, go was my friend. A man on my drum and frame. Brother, Messi, I have a dear what? My winning Joe, Tinton, Yanum's I have vagina, it is on some I have vagina. To what the papa to put to manto. You pimpy, now if you got us to talk upon to Monshram and Frame. Mama Benjamin, who go as one frame.